How to remove silence in CapCut automatically. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, you want to go ahead and simply open CapCut in your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut application, you want to go ahead and simply tap on New Project right over here. Just like so, from your gallery, go ahead and choose a video. Once you have the video chosen, tap on Add. And just like so, inside here, you'll then be able to find caption option, tap onto it, and inside here, tap on advanced option. Note that in order to remove silence in CapCut automatically, you'll need a CapCut Pro. So once you're inside the advanced option, you want to go ahead and toggle on identify filler words. Once it is toggled on, tap on generate. And once it has been generated, you'll then be able to find the silence in your video. These are called pauses. If you would like to remove the pauses, you want to go ahead and select it, then tap on delete 3 clips. And now you want to go ahead and tap on yes, delete both. And just like so, you'll then be able to remove silence in CapCut. Now from here, tap on this tick icon and you'll be good to go. Well, that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.